From the Weather NorCal Command Center, this is your afternoon update.
Dennis's Heating and Air Conditioning is Northern California's premier heating and air conditioning contractor. From residential housing, large commercial projects, installation to repair, sheet metal fabrication, and everything in between, we are your go-to heating and air conditioning specialist.
Well, good afternoon, everyone. You know, we've got those scattered showers and thunderstorms we saw this morning. We're going to see more chances through the rest of the afternoon, this evening, and tonight. And, you know, there may even be some leftover activity here for some of us tomorrow. But for the most part, things are drying out after tonight, and it'll be mainly dry the rest of the week. Now, again, we're going to go into a little bit more detail. Some places that may see some showers later this week, and then a better chances possibly going into early next week. In fact, maybe sometime around Monday or Tuesday. So what's the overall setup that's going on right now? We can see an area of low pressure right here, another storm system here, just an active weather pattern over the Pacific Ocean. But one of the key things I want to point out, you see all these speckled clouds? This is typical and typically something I point out during the winter months, and of course this time of the year as well. And that's the cold air. The speckled clouds indicating that colder air. You can see that colder air is kind of just streaming on into Northern California, and that's when we start to destabilize the atmosphere. And if we have enough moisture, which there is enough, then we see showers and thunderstorms popping up across the region. So this is what it looks like. There you can see as we go through the afternoon, we're still seeing the activity out there, even for the valley, the mountains, seeing the activity as well. I'm thinking that the snow level is still fairly high, probably between 4,500, 5,500 feet. And then as we go into your tonight, you see how it's starting to kind of wrap itself up. There still may be some lingering showers, not out of the question even for a few lightning strikes as well. Then by tomorrow morning, we're seeing most of the activity off to the west. So we could still start Tuesday morning with scattered showers and thunderstorms for Del Norte, Humboldt County, the North Coast in general, including even parts of Trinity County as well. But notice what happens as we go into the noon hour into the afternoon. We're just not seeing much activity, if anything, really. Now you'll notice there's a little bit of pop-ups here and there, but really, on average, for most of us, we're going to be looking at dry conditions for your Tuesday. But if you look to some of the mountains, yeah, don't be surprised if you see a passing shower here through the day tomorrow. But I think the valley will most definitely be dry for your Tuesday. And then you can see by Tuesday evening, Tuesday night, it's all pretty much gone. In fact, it's even clearing out as we go into your Wednesday with mainly sunny skies. Now, looking at the long range, here you can see a weak disturbance that may push through Thursday night, early Friday morning for Siskiyou, Trinity, Del Norte, and Humboldt counties. Elsewhere, it looks to be dry. So I've got the chance for showers Thursday night, early Friday morning. There you can see, but by Friday morning, 8 a.m., it's all pretty much gone. We're dry for, at least based on this forecast model, Saturday, Sunday, and even Monday of next week. Now, this particular forecast model, as you can see right here, has a storm system way off to our west, and this would indicate dry conditions. However, if we were to look at the European forecast model, this storm system is actually right on top of us. That is a pretty big discrepancy because you can see just how far this storm system is from us. So this is something we'll be monitoring. I have included, just so you know that it's out there, I have included a chance for showers on Monday of next week, but until then, should remain dry, with the exception, of course, today. High wave heights out there. Not a good idea to be out on your boat if you don't have to. And then going into tomorrow afternoon, those wave heights should start to drop, but still fairly high. All right, so here's what it looks like today. I've got basically lightning strike chances for every single location here. Valley, mountains, inland, and the coast. As we go into tonight, and especially for tomorrow, things will start to dry out. And there you can see the 7-day outlook. Now, I have included for Mount Shasta. If you start heading east of Mount Shasta, most likely dry on Friday morning. But I've got chances for showers Thursday night, Friday morning for Mount Shasta, Siskiyou County in general, western Siskiyou County. Alturas, Modoc County, eastern mountains, dry after today all the way through this upcoming weekend. Now for the valley, chance for showers and thunderstorms today. Some of those thunderstorms, and here's the thing I want to mention. Some of us may see a brief shower today, and that's it. Some of us may be dry for most of the day today, and that will be all you get, right? But some of us will get caught under these thunderstorms, which will mean heavy rainfall, and you're going to feel it, and it'll feel like the sky is falling on you, all right? So just kind of bear in mind, There's no way of knowing exactly where those heaviest thunderstorms are going to be, but everyone certainly has that chance. So just be prepared for it is all I've got to say at this point. It dries out though for the valley for Tuesday afternoon all the way through this upcoming weekend, even for your Veterans Day. Let's take a look at your 7-day outlook for the coast. Showers and thunderstorms today, drying out. Now again, there will be some morning showers and thunderstorms for the north coast, even the inland areas for your Tuesday, but looking at the day in general, it will be dry on Tuesday. And of course, it's dry for Wednesday, Thursday. Although by Thursday night into Friday, there is of course that chance for some light showers, nothing heavy, and then drying out once again for the weekend.